Let's see in this lecture what happens if we try to update a resource with Terraform. We have created previously this file with Terraform with this content. We will make a very simple change to the content. We will add just an exclamation mark at the end of the string. So here at the end of the string we will add an exclamation mark. Now to update the file with Terraform, we didn't need to run the Terraform init command again because we still work with a single provider, which is the local provider that is already initialized from the last time when we create the file. Let's now execute the Terraform plan command to create the execution plan, which let us preview the changes that Terraform plans to make to our infrastructure. So here to see the changes that Terraform will make to the infrastructure, we run the Terraform plan. So you see here at the beginning this minus plus symbol. The minus plus symbol implies that the resource will be destroyed and then recreated. That's why this type of infrastructure is known as immutable infrastructure. Immutable infrastructure means that the infra can't be changed once it is created. If you want to make some updates, the only way to do that is to destroy the current version and create another one with the desired updates. So here when we run the Terraform apply command, here Terraform will delete this file and will create another file with the same name but with this updated content. Okay, so let's enter yes here. And here at the bottom we see that one resource is added and one resource was destroyed. Okay, so here Terraform, it doesn't update the same file. It deletes the existing file and it creates a new file with this updated content. And this type of infrastructure is called immutable infrastructure. So you cannot make changes to the existing infrastructure. So here Terraform doesn't change the existing resource. It deletes the existing resource and create a new one with the desired changes.